Punky Flute. Today is the second day of our 7-day improvisation series. Today we are going to continue working on the 3-note improvisation skills that we learned in the last video. We're going to play over a drum loop that I made on a GarageBand using 3 notes, same notes, B, A, and a G, so it's easy for everyone. So we're going to have another musical conversation between you and I, and we're going to do 8 beats, 8 beats, 8 beats, 8 beats. It's going to be a little bit quicker today, so let's get the party started. There's a link below with a longer loop going around and around, so you can practice for as long as you like. See you in the next video. Bye!